In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new admin to your Wix website. This process is straightforward and will only take a few minutes. It's a handy skill to have if you want to share your website management duties with someone else, whether they're a coworker, collaborator, or a business partner. Centralizing control efficiently while ensuring that the right people have access to the website can make a significant difference in how smoothly your website operates. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and enter your login details. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll want to navigate to the dashboard of the specific website you want to manage. This is the control center of your site where you can oversee everything from design changes to analytics. From the dashboard, locate the menu on the left side of your screen. Click on Settings. This is where you'll find various options to control different aspects of your website, including one critical area we're focusing on today: roles and permissions. Sometimes this section might be listed under team members, depending on any recent updates to the platform or your site's previous customization. With roles and permissions open, you can now invite a new person to help manage your site. Look for the button labeled Invite People and give it a click. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the individual you wish to add. It's crucial to ensure that the email address is correct since the invitation is sent directly there and it serves as their gateway to your site. After entering the email address, you'll need to decide on the role you want them to have. Wix offers some flexible options here. Selecting admin gives them full access to your site, which means they can edit, publish, and manage everything without restrictions. If you prefer to limit their access, you can choose roles like back office manager, editor, or something tailored to suit your needs. These roles come with specific permissions that allow them to help with certain tasks without having full control over the website. Once you've decided on the right level of access, it's time to send the invitation. Simply click on Send Invite. Upon doing so, a notification is delivered to the person's email inbox, inviting them to join your website's team. They will see clear instructions within the email on how to accept the invitation and gain access based on the role you've assigned to them. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add a new admin or team member to your Wix website. With this process, you can efficiently delegate tasks and share responsibilities for managing your site, making your work a whole lot easier. Remember, ensuring the appropriate permissions are set is crucial to maintaining security and effectiveness in web management.